What's going on, everybody? We have some breaking crypto news. Coinbase just decided to delist an OG meme coin in the gaming space. Why? I don't know. Maybe they have an issue with gaming. Remember, they didn't support the Gala V2 migration for whatever reason. This is weird, but it's news, and I wanted to make sure you're aware of it to see if it impacts you. And no matter what, it's pretty interesting to kind of follow this because the more information we have at our disposal, the more way we can understand how Coinbase and some of the big players are operating in the space, the more we can understand the fundamentals of crypto, where the industry's going, and how we can attack the altcoin market. Speaking of altcoins, before we get into the news, it's getting close, in my opinion, where we're going to see altcoin season. We're going to see that big transition point from people starting to take a little bit more risk. Risk appetites are climbing right now as people want to maybe take their Bitcoin profits from 15K, 20K, 25K, 30K, and start to get into some riskier assets in the altcoin market. So with that being said, which coin does Coinbase not want to have on the platform anymore? Well, that's what we're going to talk about, guys. Hit that like button for us. So cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced in its statement that it will not support the transition of the Metal DAO altcoin to its layer 2 blockchain network and will stop trading for this altcoin on June 14. That's MTL. Now, there is something else. Okay, that is, again, MTL. So keep that one on your radar. But what this really, here's another kind of, another move here. Coinbase has announced the delisting of Engine Coin. This is a very popular altcoin, effective mid-next month. This decision is anticipated to impact a considerable number of ENG investors. Now, I was invested in this one back in 2021. I don't hold any right now. But again, keeping an idea of why this happens and, keeping a pulse on the moves the big players are making. So it says here, delisting an altcoin refers to, obviously, the suspension of trading. You do have a time period to get it out of there. Although exchanges frequently list new altcoins, delisting occurs less often. But when it does, you want to be aware of it. However, in periods of weak trading volumes, the rate of delisting can accelerate. The current market strength makes this delisting kind of concerning for Engine Coin here. And Engine, again, is an OG back in the early days of gaming, kind of an infrastructure play for a really long time. So why Coinbase is doing this, I don't really know, but I wanted to make you guys aware of it so you guys have all that information. So are there any other altcoins at risk from being delisted on Coinbase? As of right now, no, but following a recent reevaluation, they decided to suspend trading for Engine Coin on June 14th. This move indicates potential similar actions for other altcoins that may not meet Coinbase's stringent requirements. Keep in mind, Coinbase, for whatever reason, did not support the V2 migration for Gala. Why that is, I don't know. Maybe there's something bigger here in terms of gaming tokens, because again, Engine's in the gaming sector, Gala's in the gaming sector. We'll be keeping tabs on it as we move forward. But just some key takeaways, I think, for the macro here, guys. Always monitor what big exchanges are doing in terms of delisting or listing of new tokens. Keep a well-diversified portfolio. Don't go all in on anything so this doesn't wreck you. And then evaluate the compliance and performance of altcoins. Check their trading volume. If you start to see trading volume really taper off, keep in mind that it is a possibility they could delist the asset because the exchanges make money one big way. They need volume. They need interest. They need eyeballs. If that altcoin, whatever it is, starts losing trust or losing traction, losing trading volume, this is always something that could happen. So in conclusion, Coinbase's decision to delist Engine underscores the importance of regular asset reviews and just make sure you're locked into everything you own in your portfolio. Appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts on all of this. Do you think Coinbase has an issue with gaming tokens? This is two top gaming tokens being delisted. I love the gaming sector. It's interesting. We'll have to wait and kind of find out if there's something more to this story. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you.